In the Charlotte office, we wanted to support the global initiatives of sustainability. And while we compost a lot of our food and we do things within our facility, we were still looking at other initiatives that we could implement here. We were approached by one of our employees that works in the marketplace, whose husband is a beekeeper. And we really liked the idea. This goes hand in hand with feeding the world as our global initiative. And we want to be a part of that.
I was asked by SPX Flow if I could install a couple of beehives. Bees are probably on the top of the pyramid when it comes to pollinators. Food, trees, plants, they allow the world to survive. Without bees, we would have a big problem. This location, Ballantyne, SPX Flow, and the surrounding areas is a great location because you have water, you have trees, you have plants, and you really need all those things to be able to have a good hive. By giving bees a helping hand, you're giving humanity a helping hand.
As a company, our manufacturing sites have been really great at working outside the box and trying to find things that allow us to be sustainable. But in an 11-story office building, you don't necessarily have those things to do. So it's really about looking at the small things that you can do to help your environment. And for us, that's composting and that's bees, and continuing to integrate the green technology that we already have here.